All right, you guys, Modelones sent me over a PR package. So let's go ahead and unbox what we have here. And we also received this one and this one. So let's go ahead and see all the goodies that we got. All right, the first thing that we got from Modelones, it is their Builder Nail Gel. And it looks like this. Let's kind of open this up. Ooh, nice and big bottle. There's a lot of product. This is 15 millimeters of product right here. And this is their Builder Gel. Ooh, she's nice and thick. Yeah, so this is nice and thick. That's awesome. So we have that. And then we have their nail dehydrator and primer set. Card, gives you instructions on how to use it, and then here is their nail dehydrator and their primer. So basically step 1 and step 2. And then let's go ahead and open their bigger package. This is a polygel nail extension kit. It has 6 gels with a slipping solution, a base, a top coat. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. Ooh, poly nail extensions. Poly nails extension gel. This is awesome. So it gives you instructions on how to, use their product, the preparation, and the nail application. So that's great. And then here are the colors right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. These are the colors right here. We're gonna swatch these, of course. And then it comes with some nail forms. Some clips to hold the nail in place, the nail forms in place. We also have, let's see, we have their slip solution. Here we have, let's see, we have their base. We have their base and top coat here. Ooh, and we get a brush, you guys. This is an amazing kit. This is so awesome. This is everything in one. So you got the little spatula and then the brush on this end. So that's great. Everything you need in one kit to do your nails. So that's amazing. And then of course you get a cute lamp. You guys, look at this lamp, and it's my favorite color too. Oh my gosh. This is with the little cord. You guys know pink is my favorite color, so look how cute this is. This is so cute. Pink is my favorite color. Has a little stand right here, and it comes with the charger, so you can charge it up. And yeah, look how pretty that is. Such a pretty pink too. So we have that. And then of course we have a 100 by 180 nail file. So yeah, that's everything that came in the kit. All right, so I have a white sheet of paper, and we're going to swatch all the colors right here. So let's go ahead and start with 03, which looks like it's a clear, gel. Yep, that's a clear poly gel. We're going to do 014, and that's a light pink. Next is 015, 016. This one looks like it's a sparkly color. Oh, this one's cool. This one's a black sparkly poly gel. That's awesome. That's so pretty. The next one is 017. And this is a clear poly gel with glitter. That's pretty. And the next one, it is 018. Oh, this is like a black color. Super cool. All right, so these are all the colors right here. Super pretty. I love this pink right here. This is such a pretty color. The glitter, of course, and the neutral. These colors are so pretty. Perfect. I love these. Really pretty colors. Okay, so the fact that you get all this in one kit, you guys, this is amazing because you could do your whole nails, a full set of nails and more with all these colors, because you get all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 poly gels. You get the slip solution, the base, the top coat, the file, the nail forms, the light. You get everything that you need to do a full set. So you guys, make sure you keep watching my channel, you subscribe, because I will definitely be using these products in upcoming videos. Let me know what you want to see from me using these products, and I'll definitely film that for you. Thank you once again to Modelones for sending over this super cute polygel set, and make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.